Hi there and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. We are going to be making what I would think a leprechaun would drink, called a Leprechaun Lemonade, using our ginger syrup here and peach craft puree. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first step will be to add 1.5 pumps of our peach craft puree and 1 pump of ginger syrup. Next, 1.5 ounces of Jameson or your favorite Irish whiskey, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and now some ice, and we'll shake it. We'll just strain this into our cocktail glass and top this off with some soda water. And we're gonna garnish it. I skewered here a lemon and a peach wedge on a slice of fresh ginger. And there you have it, a Leprechaun Lemonade. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed our recipe for a Leprechaun Lemonade. If you do make this St. Patrick's Day drink at home, be sure to tag us in some pictures on social media. You can find us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, to keep up to date with everything happening in the Amoretti world, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter below and never miss a new recipe by subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell. Bye, we'll see you next time.